Whether you're driving a few blocks away or across the country, it doesn't take much for your plans to go wrong. If an emergency situation happens while you're behind the wheel, you only have yourself and the items in your car to address the problem. Here are 25 emergency trunk essentials to keep in your car at all times. Number 1. First aid kit. The first aid kit is the holy grail of your emergency trunk essentials. It should contain all of the basic supplies needed for treating cuts, bruises, burns, and breaks. The most expensive kits also come with CPR masks, emergency blankets, tourniquet supplies, and other items for more serious medical situations. Number 2. Food and water. When planning for a long trip, put some water bottles, protein bars, and other snacks in your car. If you get stranded for more than a few hours, you have the means to sustain yourself. Number 3. Warm clothes. If you get stranded in freezing temperatures, hypothermia, frostbite, and death are real possibilities. An extra layer of clothes can save your life. A blanket can also help people recover from shock caused by injuries. Number 4. Sleeping bag. Along with the warm clothes, a sleeping bag will keep you warm if you get stranded overnight. It's also nice to have if you unexpectedly need to sleep over at someone's house. Number 5. Satellite messenger. Here's the worst case scenario. Your phone dies, you get lost, and you run out of gas. A two-way satellite messenger is the only device that can bail you out. It will pin your location and enable you to connect with emergency services. Car maintenance. A flat tire, dead battery, engine failure, and many other complications can cause your car to break down. As such, you need a wide range of maintenance supplies to tackle any issue that comes your way. Number 6. Owner's manual. There are only 2 good reasons you should remove the owner's manual from the glove compartment: for studying and consulting. It's your one-stop guide to everything about your vehicle, so keep it where it belongs. Number 7. Car repair information. Your car repair history should also sit next to the owner's manual. Citing the repair history often proves helpful when diagnosing a roadside problem. Number 8. Cleaning supplies. Having some basic cleaning supplies won't save your life, but they will make most roadside repairs much easier. Remember to keep paper towels, cloth rags, and a handful of reusable grocery bags handy. Number 9. Tire changing tools. A flat tire isn't the most common roadside issue, so you have no excuse for being unprepared. Keep a spare tire, tire jack, and lug wrench among your emergency trunk essentials at all times. You never know when or where you might need them. Number 10. Tire pressure gauge. A tire pressure gauge allows you to perform free routine tire pressure checks. They're usually more accurate than gas station gauges, cost just a few dollars, and will last a lifetime. Number 11. Reflective triangles or road flares. Reflective triangles and road flares are important for roadside repair safety. They show your vehicle's location and give other drivers time to switch lanes. They will also help you signal emergency services after an accident. Number 12. Jumper cables. Another common car problem is a flat or drained battery. As such, jumper cables are crucial things you should keep in your car. You still need another car to complete the jump, but at least you have the necessary tool. Number 13. WD-40. Whenever a stubborn nut or bolt gives you trouble, a spray of WD-40 will loosen it up. It removes dirt and grease like no other spray on the market. Number 14. Duct tape. Duct tape is another awesome multi-purpose tool you should keep in your car. It provides a temporary fix for leaks, cracks, and breaks until you can get to a repair shop. It also might come in handy in first aid situations. Number 15. Ice scraper. An ice scraper is a non-negotiable for colder climates. It will remove ice and snow from your car in just a few seconds, allowing you to get on with your day. Miscellaneous must-haves. Number 16. Multi-tool. A multi-tool will help you administer first aid and complete roadside repairs. Also, it just looks cool. Keep it on your person or stow it within reaching distance of the driver's seat. Number 17. Tactical flashlight. A flashlight will also help you in a variety of emergencies. Light is your friend, whether you're looking for a lost item beneath the car seats or you're stranded on a dark road. Number 18. Toilet paper. When you gotta go, you gotta go. Sometimes you can't make it to a bathroom when you're behind the wheel. Keep a roll of toilet paper among your emergency trunk essentials and leave nothing to chance. Number 19. Spare change. Spare change will help you pay for road tolls and other unexpected driving expenses. It might also save you some trouble if a homeless person starts panhandling in front of your car. Keep some 5s, 1s, and coins in a bag in your glove compartment. Number 20. Phone charger. Your phone is your primary means of communication, so need to keep it charged while you're driving. If you only have one charger, buy another to keep in your house. Your car should always have one. Number 21. Sunglasses. This one is a no-brainer. Driving with the sun in your eyes is extremely annoying and dangerous. Keep a pair of sunglasses in your car to stay safe. Number 22. Umbrella. Nobody wants to safely arrive at their destination just to get soaked by rain on the way to the door. An umbrella will spare you from the rain and keep you looking sharp. Number 23. Lighter or matches. Having a fire source gives humans peace of mind. It gives you access to light and heat, two much needed elements in many emergency situations. Number 24. Work gloves. If you need to do roadside repair work, your hands are going to get grease and grime on them without protection. Keep some work gloves in your car for when things get dirty. Stay prepared behind the wheel. Will you be prepared when things go wrong behind the wheel? These 25 items will help you through any and every sticky situation. Put them in your car and keep them there. Thank you for your attention and have a nice day.